ideas can be found on us. Comes with this case as well, and then it does use it for the packages where that package can be filled, and then it's up to you when you pick it up, whenever you need it in that there. I think the brand is maybe a little different in the US, but in most of Europe, especially the UK, but most of Europe, it's very well known for going out to the simple paper flows, and maybe in the US it's a little more high-end premium and the usually get to money. But certainly across Europe, the brand really resonates with an audience who's thinking of bigger things. Yes. Yeah. We get to I mean, we work very closely with them, so a lot of their industrial design made it into the device. This is the same as a Discovery, for a lot of front. That's the same as the LED light ring. These are the same as the roof bars on the top. So we work with their designers, their industrial designers, to make sure it reflects the look of the aesthetic of it. But for us, it means that we get